Hello everyone and welcome to another AgTech360 video. Today's video will be an AGView360 tutorial on how to create farms. To start creating a farm, log into the AGView360 dashboard and select Farms at the top. From here you select Add New Farm. Once you're in the Add New Farm section, you can enter the address which is closest to your property. The map will show you the closest blocks around the address selected. From here you can select the block which you wish to work with. After selecting the correct block, select Use for My Farm. Then you need to name the new farm. And save and close. So from this point we can start refining the farm. You can edit the farm boundary in the tab up the top. In our case we might pull it out a little bit. You can add new markers by clicking on the grayed out dots, or you can delete markers by clicking on the solid white dots. So after you have your farm boundary complete, you can press Save Feature. And now we can start adding in paddocks and fence boundaries. So we'll go up and click Add Paddock. And here we want to select the boundary which the paddock starts at. And we can go along the paddock line. And you can end the paddock boundary by clicking on the boundary fence again. Once that's done, we can enter the paddock name. We can also change the fencing type. And save feature. After that's done, you can perform a check to just see that everything is as it's meant to be. You can also add paddocks by clicking on the three dots on the left, come down to Add New Paddock, and again you can draw another paddock boundary. You don't have to add paddocks connected to other boundaries. For example, we'll just draw a simple paddock right in the middle here. But to close it off, you must finish by clicking the start point of the paddock. So once that's complete, you can view your farms again and you'll see the farm that you've just created. I hope you found the video useful. Please remember to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything AgTech360. You can follow us at the links seen below.